welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the topic Operational Amplifier. Before that, we all know about amplifier. What is amplifier? Amplifier is used to amplify the weak signal. Because in electronics, most of the signals are weak signals. So we have to amplify the signals. So the amplifier is used to amplify the weak signal, that is electrical signals. It can be found in many places in our daily life. For example, if someone speaking on the mic and the amplified sound coming from the speaker, how this is possible? Is there any circuitry between the speaker and the mic? Yes, right. So it has an amplifier. The amplifier is used to amplify the weak signal. Now we discuss about the topic of operational amplifier. An operational amplifier is one type of differential amplifier which can be used to perform various operations like linear, non-linear and mathematical operations. Let me discuss further into the topic. Operational amplifier is an integrated circuit that amplifies the difference in voltage between two inputs. It was developed to perform mathematical operations such as adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, integration, differentiation and so on. Next, circuit symbol of OpAmp. This is the circuit symbol of operational amplifier. It has two inputs, V1 and V2, and one output, that is Vout. The symbol consists of positive and negative terminal. The negative terminal, that is inverting input terminal. The positive terminal is non-inverting input terminal. The inverting input terminal means it will invert the signal, that is the output is 180 degree out of phase with the input. If the signal given to the input of V2, that is positive terminal, it means a non-inverting input terminal. So the output is in phase with the input. Next, what are the package of operational amplifier? There are mainly three types of packages. The first one is metal can package, next dual inline package, next flat package. IC741 is one of the most used operational amplifier integrated circuit that perform both mathematical operations and also amplification function. This is the metal can package of IC741. It is a 8-pin configuration. It has 8 pins. The first pin denotes the offset null. The second pin denotes inverting input terminal. And the third pin denotes non-inverting input terminal. The fourth pin indicates negative power supply voltage. Pin 5 indicates the offset null. The pin 6 indicates the output terminal. The pin 7 is the positive power supply. And the pin 8 is NC, that is no connection. Next, dual inline package of IC741. It's also a 8-pin configuration. The pin number 1 always starts on the left of the notch. This is notch. The other pins are numbered counterclockwise from pin number 1. Here also the pin description is same as metal can package. Next, this is the flat package. Here it has a dot on it to identification of the pin numbering. Nearby the dot starts with pin number 1. The other pins are numbered counterclockwise. Next, pin description of IC741. pin 1 and 5 denotes the offset null. What is offset null? It means an op-amp is a differential amplifier. This means that when there is no difference between the two inputs, example, when the inputs are shorted together, there should be no voltage on the output. But unfortunately, under these circumstances, there is always a small offset because no operational amplifier is ever perfect and completely balanced. There is always a small input offset voltage. This input offset voltage is small and arises from mismatches in the differential input stages of the op-amp chip. So, to make the voltages exactly equal, you apply the same voltage to input pins and place a potentiometer to one of the pins and change the resistance until the output is 0. For circuits, whether it is necessary to remove or null the offset, many op-amp chips provide 2 pins that enable this to be done. Next, pin number 2 is inverting input terminal and pin 3 is non-inverting input terminal. If the voltage at the pin 2 is greater than pin 3, the voltage at the inverting input is higher, means the output signal stays low. Similarly, if the voltage at pin 3 is greater than the voltage at pin 2, that is, the voltage at non-inverting input is high. It means the output goes high. Next, pin 4 is a negative voltage supply terminal and pin 7 is positive voltage supply terminal. The IC 741 draws the power for its operation from this pin. Next, pin 6 is an output terminal. The voltage at these pins depends on the signals at the input pins and the feedback mechanism. Later we will discuss about the feedback. Okay, if the output is said to be high, it means the voltage at the output is equal to the positive supply voltage. Similarly, if the output is said to be low, it means that the voltage at the output is equal to negative supply voltage. Finally, the pin 8 is NC, there is no connection. The pin is not connected to any circuit inside the IC. It's just a dummy LED used to fill the void space in the standard 8-pin packages. We have so far covered the topic of operational amplifier and its packages. There are 3 packages of operational amplifier, that is metal can package, dual inline package and flat package, and its pin configuration. Future we will provide the deep exploration on an operational amplifier. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.